Hey guys, so today I'll be going on a little trip to Mont-Rigaud. It's a really nice, like, scenic area. So during fall time, it looks really beautiful over there with all the leaves changing colors. Currently, you'll see in the video that it's not like it's still nice to look at, like all the greenery and like the hill and all, but today, like when I went there, it was closed. Like I don't think there was anyone in the park like even walking or anything, but definitely in a couple more weeks I'll come back here and I'll show you guys like the difference. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna definitely have to come check this place out yourself. And even just the drive here, it's really nice because there's a lot of trees on the side, so they're all gonna change colors pretty soon.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, they try to get to my way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. You tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the money. Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port I'm paddling. Sharashi no bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house. I still.
And on the way there, you're gonna see like gas station, Tim Hortons, and Harvey's, just like little stops, and just in case someone wants to take a bathroom stop or like get a drink or something. So this is the town of Rigaud. It's really nice and like quiet. There's no like, it's not really a commercial area, so it's really like countryside, I'll say.
Alex, Abs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
So yeah, as you can see, there's like nobody here, but I don't know, there's 2 workers over there. I don't know what they're up to, but yeah. But during fall time, 100% recommend you guys come check this out. I'm gonna come back here and make another vlog and show you guys how pretty it looks. But yeah. And in wintertime, people come and ski here usually. And maybe you can also like slide down the hill and stuff. And inside that big like building thing that you just saw, there's like I think they have ski equipment and stuff like that. You could just come and chill inside and eat something. But yeah, overall it's a really beautiful place, and yeah, you can come take nice pictures and make videos and spend time with your friends and family here. And it's a good workout as well, like we're just walking up and down the hill. So yeah, we just came down to check it out a little bit. Now we're just gonna head back, and you guys can see here, over here, the trees are changing, the leaves are changing a bit. So yeah, this is just a little town of Mont-Rigaud. Also, if we're coming from Montreal, it's gonna take at least between 30 to 45 minutes just to get here. And if you're coming from the Royalmount side, it's maybe a 20-minute drive.
The sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something?
Coming back and going there, you're gonna bump into with Royalmount, which is under construction at the moment, like the highways, and so yeah, construction going on. So construction means traffic, so yeah, just be prepared. Yeah, just enjoy the ride, I guess. So that was it for today. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Take care. Bye.